Today, I'm going to show you how to create a paper fold effect in Premiere Pro. I've included the green screen paper fold footage in the video description. Your logo should be on video layer 2 and the green screen on video layer 1. Then go to Effects, search for Track Matte key, and add the effect to your green screen. Under Effect Controls, expand Matte and select Video 2. Next, duplicate your logo by holding Alt and dragging it up. Highlight the bottom 2 layers and nest the clips. Drag the green screen to layer 2 and the logo to video layer 1. Duplicate your green screen. Then go to Effects, search for Track Matte key, and add the effect to your logo. Under Effect Controls, expand Matte and select Video Layer 2. Now go to Effects, search for Ultra key, and add the effect to Video Layer 3. In Effect Controls, click the little dropper icon beside Key Color, then simply click on your green screen layer. Finally, turn off the visibility of Video 2